Hey, what's up? Andre Miller here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some free PayPal money. Yes, free money that all you have to do is put in at least 3 to 4 minutes of work, and this can be done. So sign up for a PayPal account, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and when to get started. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. Make sure you become a part of the family. I'm going to show you how to make some money right now. So let's jump inside of the video. So before we get started, I want to show you that some proof this actually works. Out of like 239 people that visit, I got like 19 sales. So that's like a 7.95 conversion, over $300 right here. And out of 45 visitors, there's only one sale for $23.50. Right down here is $165. 43 people that visit, 13 sales, 30% conversion rate. Right down here is a 20% conversion rate. Out of 25 people that visited, there's 5 people that actually bought. So what I'm about to share with you is I'm going to show you how to make some free PayPal money. So you can make $500+ or more using this method. Now, there's several different ways how you could do this, and that's what I want to share with you. So the first way that you could do is sign up for ClickBank. Now, the method I'm going to share with you is not about ClickBank, but you can do this with ClickBank products as well. And if you want to get started, you can go sign up for a ClickBank account. It's absolutely free. You can get started right away, and you can use the same method. But as I said before, what I want to share with you is not on ClickBank because the competition can be a little bit too high. I'm going to show you a free way how you could do this, and I'm also going to share with you a paid way. So yes, but it's free PayPal money, and as I said, 4 minutes tops of work that you're going to do. So by the time at the end of this video, you're going to have some actionable steps that you can take immediately. So these are some of the figures right here. It is possible, absolutely possible. So I'm going to show you how to get ahead of your competition. So don't try to skip at the end of the video. If you've gotten to this part of the video and you haven't subscribed and you haven't liked my video yet, what's taking you so long? Do it right now. Show some love. Let me know in the comments what you think so far, all right? So let's jump into the video. Now, as I told you before, it's all about PayPal and the payment processor. This is where you're gonna get the payment. So if PayPal doesn't work in your country, I do apologize in advance, but try to find different method how you can get paid. If you can't get paid in your PayPal, you can try Blue Snap. I don't know if that works in your country. You can try JV, Zoo Pay. You can do Swift, Stripe, and Authorization Net. And they can send you by mail if that's what you want. But as I said before, the reason why I'm doing this is all about PayPal. So free PayPal money, 500+ is, I'm going to show you how you could do this. Now, once you configure your PayPal account, and I'll show you how to set that up. The website that we're going to find products, and we're going to go to muncheye.com. So muncheye.com is a place where you can find tons of different products. So we're going to use a method that's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you selling other people's products without you owning it. So you can send people to it, you can make money, don't have to own it, don't have to worry about their customer support, refunds, all that type of stuff, because it's a business. You're going to have to deal with headaches and all that type of stuff. So right down here, there's always big launches. There's things that are going to get launched. Products are coming out. And what we want to do, we always want to be ahead of our competition. Because normally when a product is launched online, there's going to be these super affiliates and there's going to be these top people. All they're going to do is send traffic. And the first thing when people send traffic to a particular product, if you're not sure about the product, what's the first thing you're going to do? You're going to go check a review. You're going to go on Google. You're going to go on YouTube. You're going to go everywhere to check. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make money over and over again, and it can become a passive income, residual income. Now, down here, here's all the products that are listed. There's a product that are going to be launched on March 10th. There's some going to launch on the 17th, the 18th, the 25th, all the way down until December, right? December. And I actually know this guy personally. I know him. His name is Joshua. Samara. Great guy. I know him personally. He's on my Facebook, and he's always coming out with new products. So I know who he is. Great guy, by the way, and he's always coming out with some great product. Now, we're not going to make a review at, December. It's shooting this video right now. It's March. Maybe you're watching this, a year later, and no matter what time it is, you don't want to make the videos too far out. You don't want to make them too long. You just want to come on here and you want to find products at least 5 to 10 days out, at least, because you want to do is you want to find the product. Once you find the product, which let's try this one. So this is Interact Evolution. You can click on it. You can see what it looks like. All right, look at, this is the Munched Eye. You can look at their JV page. You can look at the front end sale is $67. You're gonna get 50% from it, which is amazing. So that means you're gonna get about $32.50. If I do the math correctly, that's what you're gonna be getting. So every time somebody buys, you get $32.50 right into your PayPal, and it's gonna add up, right? Now, if you wanna come on here and you wanna look at it, see what it's like, it's a software niche. So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna go on YouTube. We're gonna type in Interact Evolution, and we're gonna search. Let's see if we got anything pop up. Now, this person right here, he made a 1 minute and 34-second video of Interact Evolution JV page. That's a week ago. 68 views. It's not out yet. This right here is 3 weeks ago, 19. So you can see the trend, what people are doing. They're making these videos ahead of time before the launch is being released. Because once it's launched, people are going to come on YouTube, they're going to search, and they want to find out, okay, is this a right product that I need to buy? Do I need to spend money on this? Now, so that's one of the main reasons. Once you find the product that you want to make a review, you can make a 2-3 minute review, right? You don't have to show your face on the camera. You could just make the video, use Zoom. Once you create the video, just upload it. So I'm gonna look at the page right here and see what it looks like. So if you look, the launch of the year, you can grab your affiliate link. If you click on it, it's gonna take you directly to the JV Zoo. Join the JV list. They're gonna launch in March 10th. So March 10th, so you can go ahead, oops, wrong thing. You can go ahead and you can create a video. You can watch this. Oh, this is the same guy. That's on YouTube. So he's making a review on his thing. So, right, you can see what it's for. It seems like it's an interactive software. Create a video on it, right? And make a video because, as you can see, there's just him on there. So you can create a review, and you can find other products that you can create a review on. All right, so if I go back to Munched Eye, there's other products that you can find like this one. There's Bot Engage. You could do the same thing, make a review on that, make a review on Video Talk, Video Builder. So make reviews over and over again and just post them on your YouTube, because once you put it on here, then people are going to be clicking on your link. Like right here, this is an affiliate link. It's an affiliate link. Right here is an affiliate link. So people are clicking on it, they're buying the stuff, and once they buy it, then yes, you're going to get paid, and you're going to go straight into your PayPal account. Now, that's how you can make some free PayPal money. Now, if you're afraid of video and you don't want to make any videos and you want to go straight to just, send traffic, go on over to Udemy, right? And you could buy traffic over here. Of course, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you a free method, and I'm also going to show you a paid method. So you can find guys on here that are selling traffic, and you can send quality traffic to these products. Not only the product that I review, but if it's something that can help, like affiliate funnel bots, like people are interested in that. Maybe they're interested in local lead funnels. Maybe they're interested in Robo Dyna Color Pack. I don't know what that is. But this is a great website that you can find and you can give it away. The next thing that you could do, how you want to beef things up and you want to make more money is you want to give away bonuses. So if you go to Google, you can find free bonuses that you can give away. So let's type in PLR. And if you type in PLR, you can find a bunch of free content that is not resellable that you can give out for free. So these are some that you could join for free. Just download them. Once you download them, you could just give them for free. Let people, hey, if you sign up with this, I'm going to give you some bonus. If you sign up, right, when you do the solo ads as well, and when you create a video, I'm going to give you some free bonuses if you sign up. People love bonuses. People love free stuff. So if you can give them some free things in exchange for them signing up, that'll be good. So that's how you can be making money over and over again. And all you have to do is come on over here to JVZoo, sign up for JVZoo, find the products, connect your PayPal account, and you can start making some free PayPal money. So free PayPal money, that's all you have to do. So I hope that helps. I want you to take action immediately right after this video just to get started and get your feet wet. So like this video, subscribe, become a part of the family, and check out my link in the description for more information of what I do to make more money online. I'll see you in the next video.